Hello, it's Gem Games here once again and welcome to this new Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how to fix this error that you can see here. Blueprint runtime error accessed none trying to read property, and it doesn't necessarily have to be the same movement component or anything like that, but this accessed none. I will show you how to fix it. So yeah, let's get started. So what I have done here is just to demonstrate you how this works. I have skipped this event blueprint initialize animation. Okay, here we cast to the character and we set it as reference. Okay, and from there we set this character movement reference also to movement component reference. So this we take from the character and we set it with his name. This is the same thing as this basically. Okay. So why doesn't this work? We have here the movement component reference where we are trying to get these variables, but we cannot get it because we have not set it yet. And this might be not your case because as default, this is connected, and also this, I will get this later. But it's the same thing. It doesn't matter what blueprint or what code are you trying to fix. You always have to create the variable or the reference before you try to access it. Okay. Now, if we create it here, so we connect this back like this. Now we have the reference here, but sometimes when you play, now I think it will actually work. Yes, the animations work, yeah, but sometimes it tries to fire this update animation or whatever event before this for some reason. And then you want to use this is valid. You can just get your character reference and you can convert to validated get, and you can use this with any variable. Now you can connect it to here. Now it checks if this character reference is valid. So if this has been done before it tries to do all these other things here after that. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.